1.2, and the first question is decide whether pair of segments are congruent or not. They given some points and their coordinates, and we have to check whether given two segments are congruent or not. They are asking three questions. So let's take first one, that is segment DE and segment AB, whether they are congruent or not. So for first one, first take segment DE. So we know that length of segment DE is the distance between point D and E, and in previous videos we see that how calculate distance between any two points. So first calculate the distance between point D and E. For this, write here first coordinate of a point D is, see here, coordinate of a point D is -7 and that of E is 9. See here, coordinate of point E is 9. Here 9 is greater than -7, and we know that the distance between any two point, how to calculate? Greater coordinate 9 subtract smaller coordinate -7. So 9 as it is, and this negative get positive plus 7. So 9 plus 7 together 16 unit. Hence the distance between point D and E is 16 units, and we can write here that is length of DE is equal to distance between point DE, which is equal to 16 units. Let's take the next segment, that is the segment AB. See here, for length AB, which is equal to distance between point A and B. How to calculate this? Again follow this procedure, as coordinate of point A is, see here, coordinate of point A is -3 and that of B is 5. Here also 5 is greater than -3, so the distance between point AB is 5 minus -3. Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So 5 plus 3, as negative get positive, and we get answer 5 plus 3, 8 units. So right here distance between point A and B is 8 units, and we can write this as length of segment AB, which is equal to distance between point AB is 8 units. Now here when we calculate first here, that is length of segment DE is 16 units and length of segment AB is 8 units. So write here number 1 and here number 2. Then from 1 and 2 we can say that length of segment DE is equal to length of segment AB, and when the measurement of two segments are same, then we can say that both segments are congruent. So right here both segment DE congruent to segment AB, and we can write here that is both segments are congruent. Or simply you can write that is segment DE and segment AB are congruent. For these two also we have to follow same procedure. Let's do next one. For the next one solution, take segment BC. We know that length of segment BC is the distance between point B and C. So write here coordinate for B and coordinate for C, and we know that coordinate of a segment of a point B is 5 and that of C is here length of segment BC is equal to distance between point BC is equal to 3 unit. Now for second one, see here segment AD. For segment AD, you can write here length of segment AD is equal to distance between point A and D, and we know how to calculate distance between point A and E. So write coordinate of point A is -3 and that of D is -7. So write here -7. Here -3 is greater than -7, as -3 is right hand side and -7 is left hand side. So we can say that -3 is greater and this is smaller. So the distance between point A and D is equal to -3 minus -7. -3 write as it is, and this minus will get +7. And by this we get answer 4. So right here length of segment AD is equal to distance between point A and D, which is 4 unit. Right here number 1 and here number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write see here length of segment BC is equal to 3 units and length of segment AD is equal to 4 units. So we can say that length of BC is not equal to length of segment AD. So right here length of segment BC is not equal to length of segment AD. Hence segment BC and segment AD are not congruent. This is the second one. Let's take third one, that is segment BE. So right here length of segment BE, which is equal to distance between point B and E, and we know how to calculate distance between point B and E. So take coordinate of a point B is, see here 5 and that of E is 9. So right here 9 is greater than 5, therefore distance between point B and E is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 units. So right here length of segment BE is equal to distance between point B and E is equal to 4 units. Let's take second segments, that is segment AD. This is the first one and this is the second one, segment AD. For AD, length of segment AD is equal to distance between point A and D. Now calculate distance between point A and D. So first write their coordinates. Coordinate of point A is -3 and that of D is -7. Here -3 is greater than -7, as -3 is right hand side to -7. So -3 is greater and -7 is less. So right here distance between point A and D is -3 minus -7. -3 as it is, this negative get positive +7. -3 plus 7 together 4. So right here length of segment AD is equal to distance between segment A and D, distance between points A and D is 4 units. Now write here number 1 and this is number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write see here length of segment BE is 4 units and length of AD also 4 units. So we can write here length of segment BE is equal to length of segment AD. That means length of segment BE is congruent to length of segment AD. So right here segment BE